station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. It was a busy traffic week on board Space Station with the Soyuz relocation and the undocking and return to Earth of a cargo resupply ship packed with science.
Command has been sent.
On Tuesday, September 28th, NASA astronaut Mark Vande Hei and Russian cosmonauts Oleg Novitsky and Pyotr Dubrov took a short trip inside the Soyuz MS-18 spacecraft, relocating it from the Razviet module to the Nauka multi-purpose laboratory module. This relocation opens a slot for the Soyuz MS-19 to dock following its launch October 5th from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. Then 2 days later, on Thursday, SpaceX's 23rd Cargo Dragon resupply vehicle undocked from the International Space Station and splashed down off the coast of Florida. The unpiloted spacecraft was loaded with scientific experiment samples. Some of the highlights of the science returning to planet Earth on Dragon include investigations on muscle atrophy, drug metabolization, and possible breakthroughs for diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and type 2 diabetes. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency investigation anti-atrophy tests the ability of biomaterials to inhibit muscle atrophy in microgravity. Researchers plan to compare two types of cultures returning to Earth, and results may lead to the production of pharmaceuticals to prevent muscle atrophy for astronauts in space and the elderly on Earth. Genes in Space 8 tests a technology for monitoring the expression of genes that control critical enzymes that may be responsible for pharmaceuticals not working as well in space. The returning samples will be further analyzed on Earth. Also returning in Dragon are samples from the ring shear drop experiment, which utilized a specially developed device that uses surface tension rather than a solid to hold liquids. Researchers use this device to create protein aggregations which may be related to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and type 2 diabetes. Results will be further analyzed by teams on the ground following the experiment's success in space. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.